vlog. So if you don't know me for Instagram, my name is Alex, and I'm a university student. So that will be my first vlog. I usually do like reels or TikTok, but I was always shy to create my vlogs or whatever, my YouTube channel. So today I said like enough is enough. So that will be my first vlog. So today we are Thursday. So I have a lot of things to do, such as, because I have 2 quizzes on Friday and Saturday, so I have to study for that. That's my cat. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I have to study, I have to finish all my exercises, and I have to, well, practice. I have to go as well to Starbucks to get some motivation. And that's basically it. It will be like a busy day, but not kind of a like busy day, you know what I mean? And just a little disclaimer, I usually speak French, so if there's some accent or it doesn't make sense what I'm saying, it's just because sometimes I'm just thinking it's in French, so it doesn't make sense sometimes when it's coming out of my mouth. So just a little disclaimer. So if you're wondering what my cat looks like, that's Slinky. Yes. Can you tell me more about it, please? Yeah. So basically, I just took my shower, so that's why my hair are like kind of frizzy. And I brushed my teeth, I ate breakfast, and now I'm gonna head to Starbucks to take a refresher. I usually take refreshers for some reason because the coffee, well, it's not that I don't like it, it's just that my stomach doesn't like it. So I'll just take a refresher. I don't know which one yet, so I'll just come back after and I'll start studying at my desk for a couple of hours. So just before I leave, I'll just give him a smell because that's what he wants. So Slinky. Yummy.
Entrez bienvenue chez Starbucks. C'est indiqué sur votre commande?
Oui, ça va être un venti.
Venti quoi?
Kiwi carambole.
Ah ok, ça va mieux ça.
Avec lait de coco, s'il vous plaît.
Ok.
Okay, so I just got home. So I got the, I think it's called the Star Drink. Yeah, so it's basically kiwi. I don't know how the term is in English, but it's carambole. I don't know if it's the same thing. And I took it with coconut milk because because with lemonade it's way too sweet, and with water it's not enough. So I took it coconut milk, and that's basically it. And just now I'll just start by planning my day with on my agenda, my planner. Yeah, that's basically it. Hi, wait. So usually when I'm starting study session, usually I'll just start by planning my schedule for the day on my planner, because I don't have any paper planner usually, because it's way, especially when I was going to school, because right now it's all digital, but at some point we'll need to go to the university again. Sorry, sir, you're blocking the view. So like I was saying, right, I find it better to have everything in my planner instead of having like multiple things, like my books, my laptop, my iPad. It was very heavy at some point, so I decided to, well, have my planner digital. And while I was thinking about it, I just decided to create one. So basically, the planner that I'm using, that's the one I created. So I'll start by doing that. And I get distracted me. So like I was saying, okay. So usually what I do at the beginning of the week, I'll just make a to-do list, but only for my classes. What I mean by that, I'll just put everything that I must do. So my readings, my homework, my exercises, like everything related to my class, and I must achieve well throughout the week. So basically it looks like this. So that's my first class. I have, well, this one I didn't have time to finish the everything related to my previous class, so I had to do everything that's here. It's from my previous week, the past week. So everything that it's in green is because I did it and I don't have any issues with it. The yellow one is because I did it, but I had a little bit of issues with it. And the red one, the pink one, is because I failed. I didn't have the right response, so I have to do it again, as well as the yellow one. So if you see, that's the previous week, so I have a couple of things to do again, and everything that's red and yellow I have to do it again. The one that it's not in any color is this. It's just because I didn't have time to do it again yet. And that's basically what I have to do today. Everything that's in red, yellow, and not any color. So I have to do my schedule for today, so I'll do that and I'll be right back. So welcome back. So I just did not most of my things that I should do, but I did a bunch of them. Right now I'm just gonna take a break and I'll show you sorry, hold on, how I clip my cat's nails. So I'll show you that. Are you ready? Okay. Go. Good boy. I'm just gonna cook first. You mind? Do you mind if mommy does that first? Look at that. No? Hey, good boy. Thank you. Just one. Give it to mommy. There you go. Let's polish, shall we? Right. Moving on. There's just one. There you go. Ooh. So there you go. So basically, usually he's very calm, so he doesn't bite me. There's some days where he bites me, but it's not most of them. I'll just brush him after that, just to make sure that I don't have that much hair on me, because right now I have some, but not that much. I'll sit him on my lap and I'll cut first his claws, and after that I'll go back on to polish, just to make sure that it's not, well, it's the claws are soft, just make sure it doesn't destroy my couch. And that's basically it. Hello. So I just finished studying. Well, not for today, but just as of now, because I'm just a bit tired and it's not working. So I took a break. I ate a sandwich because I was lazy a little bit. I watched my series, like I think it's been like 15 minutes since I stopped studying. And right now, out of the blue, I decided to go to IKEA because I was originally planning on going next week, but I have a busy week next week, so I'll just go right now. And I know I have my 2 quizzes, but just to change my mind because I wanted to study later. Hi guys, so it's now I think 7:30. So I did a bit of shopping. I'm out of breath because I just bring everything from my car, but I bought a bunch of things from IKEA. I went as well to a Decathlon. It's a thing for sport. First, most of my things are kitchen things because I had to buy a lot of things. So first I bought a cutting how is it called? Cutting board, I think that's called. That. After I bought a bathroom organizer. I don't know what it's called. Like there's a bunch of things to organize your bathroom. After I bought a bunch of these, big and medium one. So that's the smaller one, I think. I bought 2 of those. And if you're wondering, all my stuff is on the ground, so I bought 2 of these. I mostly use glass container than plastic container just because of the environment, and it's I don't know, I just think that's better in glass. So I bought a lot of these. I bought this is for my plant that I just bought. It's right here. And I don't know if you ever tried one of these, but it's healthy gummies that IKEA does. There's the Viking one. They're very good, and there's the Skulls one. They're very good as well, and they're not that expensive. They're like $3 each, and it's good sugar, like the one in Beth, whatever. It's all good sugar in it, so that's why I purchased them. After that, well, my plant is right here, so let me show you. So it looks like this. It's a massive plant. Moving on to well, with the bowls, it came with the top with it, so I had to buy those. After, I bought a new bedding for my bed. So the thing is that my previous one didn't match the colors of my apartment, so I decided to just buy a more in green, gray, and white, but my bedding was nude, so it didn't match, like a beige. But this, a bunch of bowls. That's the one. Another one here. There you go. About 5 of these to put my flour, my sugar, my kind of stuff. About bought some, I don't know what it's called, a Ouija, that for my bathroom. Two wooden spoon. I bought some, I don't even know what's the term for each of these. I bought that. I bought some kitchen scissors because I'm always using my desk one, so I get a bit annoyed every time I have to get it. I bought I don't even know what it's called. That too. Yeah, that I needed one, and the rest is basically the jar that I just the big one. And at Decathlon, I bought this huge elastic for training, a training band, and I bought a weight for squats. That. So it looks like this. So it's basically most it's kitchen stuff because that's kitchen. Most of it is kitchen, and that's the two jars. And then yeah, oh, my plant. She's gorgeous. There she is. So I'll just clean everything because I have to clean every single one of them, and I'll just well, arrange everything and put my flour in my jars and that kind of stuff. And that probably take me like 1 hour, and I'm sweaty. And after that, I wanted to do a workout, but I don't know if I have time to do that. And I have to continue study. Yeah. So I just wanted to let you know, well, to tell you good night, because I'll be sitting for a bit, but after that I'll just go into bed. So I just want to say bye now before forgetting to say it. So I wish you a wonderful evening, and thank you for watching.